Hey everybody, my name is Marcus, and in this video I'll show you a simple way how we can integrate Outlook. So let's start. The first thing you want to do is like really simple, and you can integrate multiple applications. Just click here on integrate. I get to see integration center right here, and I get to see it right here, Outlook, right? So click on it, and then you're gonna see when account changes, send an email to someone, whatever. Then you can just like connect the applications, and this is how we got it. And like you can set up multiple automations here. When an email is received, create an item in a group. When a new item is created, send an email to someone. There are multiple ways how we can do it, but this is how we can integrate Outlook in Monday.com. So thank you very much everybody for watching, and have a great day and goodbye. See ya.